Look what I brought you today. A summer salad with an amazing dressing. Super quick to prepare. That ends up looking just like you see in the picture, and it's perfect to take anywhere. Does everyone like it? It's very easy and quick to make, and the ingredients are mostly affordable. And things we usually have at home, a rustic Spanish potato salad with a flavor and color that's truly spectacular.
Are you tired of salads that leave you starving? Well, don't worry, because today I'm bringing you a filling potato salad. Perfect for these warm summer days. Well, for the mountains, for the beach, why not for the pool? It packs really well in a container for whatever you want. For me, it's the beach, because I'm more of a beach person than a mountain person. And today, I'm heading to the beach. I might mention which one I'm going to during the video. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. There are going to be some tricks.
We start our recipe with 5 or 6 potatoes, which is about a kilo. And what we're going to do is boil them in plenty of water and a large pot. It will take about 20 minutes on medium heat. We're also going to boil a couple of large eggs, size L like these. All we're going to do is put them in hot water as well and cook them on medium heat for about 12 minutes starting from when it begins to boil.
Here's a little trick to make sure the eggs come out perfect. A splash of vinegar and a little swirl at the beginning so the yolk stays in the center of the egg. Super easy!
Done! We wait a bit and they're ready in no time.
So I have the potatoes boiling and the eggs boiling. And now it's time to chop things up. It's easy for me. I'm gonna add onion, Italian green pepper, and of course, a nice fresh tomato. Do you want to add more things? No problem. Red pepper goes better with it. Wonderful! You can also add spring onion. You can also add sweet corn, even though you don't have to chop it. It goes well too. I don't know. Anything else you can think of, you know? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. Cucumber. I almost forgot. It adds a nice touch. It goes really well. Super fresh. Perfect for summer.
All right. Now I just have to cut the tomato, and I'm gonna cut it into big wedges because I like to find these amazing pieces in the salad. I don't want them to be hidden. I want them to stand out. So good. Fresh tomato cut into big wedges so it bursts in your mouth. That freshness, that juiciness.
Wow, on the beach. Indescribable. We're making progress little by little.
The eggs are ready, so we take them out of the water and we don't wait too long to peel them, because if we do, they'll be impossible to peel. The trick, one tap on top, one tap on the bottom. We twist, and now we look around here for the little membrane that should be easy to find. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. See? And from here on, it's all smooth sailing. Thanks to the vinegar, we'll remove the shell without any problem. Look, just like that. A little trick that works. Careful, they're hot.
Do you have the eggs peeled? Here's a little trick. Wait 5 minutes before cutting them. That way, they'll cut much better and you won't burn your fingers. 2 tricks in 1.
There you go. After 20 minutes, your potatoes should be well cooked. But to check, poke them like this with a small knife. And if they come off on their own, that means they're well cooked. If not, give them 2 more minutes and that's it. What I'm gonna do now is drain the water. There go the potatoes. And I'm going to wait a bit, because if I don't, I'll lose my fingers peeling them. There they are. See? They're still hot and they peel wonderfully. See? The skin comes off without any problem. Then we'll let them rest for 5 minutes before cutting them. And by cooking them with the skin on, we'll make sure the potato has less moisture.
Don't worry, the beach is still there. And it's only gonna be 5 minutes. 5 minutes more or less doesn't make much difference. Well, maybe in the parking lot it does. The ideal proportions for the dressing: 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, and then salt to taste. So, however you like it best. Pro tip: use a jar, prepare the dressing here. Add vinegar, oil, salt. Give it a good shake. Everything will blend together really well. The oil will be almost emulsified and it's totally worth it. And if you're going to the beach, even better, because you can store the dressing and add it at the last moment, which makes the salad so much better.
All right then, put the lid on, give it a good shake for about 20 seconds, and your dressing will be ready.
And if, like me, you're going to the beach, don't add mayonnaise. Be careful.
5 minutes have passed. The potatoes are still hot, but not as hot, so I'm gonna cut them into big chunks. Now I'm moving over to a serving dish where I'll make the salad. In go the potatoes, in goes the pepper, in goes the onion, in goes the tomato. There it is! I give it a stir so everything starts mixing together. And now I'm going for the next ingredient, which I love. There you have it, a can of mackerel. Super tasty and also really affordable. Look how good it looks.
I added mackerel because I think it tastes amazing in this. If you want to stick to the traditional recipe, instead of mackerel, use tuna. And if you're feeling adventurous, add some tuna belly. It goes great with it. Some piquillo peppers also go amazingly well. Wow! And why don't I have any? Because if you add anchovies, it's a showstopper. Anchovies go well with everything. So it's up to you.
Well, I can't resist adding this spectacular dressing so you can see how it turns out. Take a look, just so you can see. Look. The truth is, this is a top-notch dressing that's really cheap and gives great results. That's how I like it. And now, I'm gonna get the eggs. I'm gonna cut them into pieces, into quarters more or less. Just 4. That's how they turn out best. So, that's that. I remove them, and this other egg too. I cut here. And then, I cut over here. And if the yolk falls out, like it happened to me from one of them, don't worry, just do this and put it back in its place. There you go. It couldn't be easier. Here we have our salad. And now what I'm going to do is place these pieces of egg on top, which not only add great flavor, but also provide protein and color to the final result. And honestly, I really love egg in these salads.
And by the way, like I said, if you're going to the beach, keep the dressing separate from the salad until the last moment. And then add the dressing and surprise everyone with a perfectly made salad. That's the trick. And since I'm here, I'll tell you which beach I like the most. It's called Torimbia. It's in Asturias. It's truly spectacular. Look it up and you'll be amazed. It looks like it's from the Caribbean, but it's not. And by the way, to finish, I'm going to add some stuffed olives, which have a bit of anchovy, so it's a 2-for-1.
That's it. Let's eat. Here you have this rustic potato salad. Potato salad made with simple ingredients you have at home. And it turns out wonderfully, just like you can see here. Riz Ras! Who can top that? You have to make this salad. You're gonna love it. Guaranteed.
So there you have the rustic potato salad we've made. Here I go. Try some potato. Tender, full of flavor. That's a super dressing. You can taste the mackerel. You can taste the vegetables. It's really good. I'm not gonna eat it all, because I've already told you. I'm heading to the beach. This is going in the Tupperware. And around 3 o'clock, after stopping by the beach bar, this goes down. Easy. Thanks for coming. If you want, I'll leave the ingredients over there by the entrance and I'll run off. The crowd is going crazy. The fence is already up. There you go.
That's great. I'm not going for everything because of the vegetables. You can taste the vegetables, not because I said so. You can taste the vegetables. You can taste the vegetables. Oh, not she said.